everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a channel intro of what y'all could be looking forward to on this channel and what this channel is going to consist of. So if you'd like to hear what upcoming videos I have in store for you all, then please keep on watching. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified to see more videos from me. It would be greatly appreciated. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get on to this video. So this is the first time you're seeing my face. I'm Danny, also known as Danielle. I love to sing, film, and edit videos. And I also love doing my makeup. So you're going to be seeing lots of covers from me and lots of makeup tutorials. And I'm also a Christian. I gave my heart to the Lord about 7 or 8 years ago. And if you want to see a whole video about God and my faith, then just leave them in the comments below. And also leave any of your suggestions down in the comments below because I will definitely look at them and I will definitely consider doing them. So there's a little bit about me. Now let's get into what this channel is going to consist of and what you all can be looking forward to. So I have all the ideas written down in my notes on my phone. So like I said, I love doing makeup and just anything beauty related. So when I say beauty, I mean like hair, makeup, clothing hauls if y'all even like that. Makeup hauls, hair hacks, makeup hacks, just anything you want to see like beauty related, like morning routines, night routines, just anything y'all want to see, just anything beauty related I'll be doing. I can do a hair care routine, I can do a skin care routine, just anything in the beauty category. Just name it and feel free to put your suggestions in the comments. And if you didn't see my last video, I'll link it down below. But I said in it, if we can get that video to 50 likes, I will be showing you all how I do my brows. And like I said, I love to sing. I've been singing for a really long time. Pretty much ever since I was like 7 or 8. I have always loved singing. It's always been a passion of mine. And even when I didn't know how to sing or I couldn't sing, which trust me, I couldn't, I still loved it even though, you know, I didn't know how. And it's always been a huge goal of mine to like hit really high notes. And I always used to try hitting those high notes when I was real little. And no, I was so shaky, I sounded like a sheep. And you know, as I got older, it progressed and it kept progressing, and eventually I just taught myself how to sing. My mom's been singing ever since she was younger. My sister knows how to sing. So it kind of just runs in the family. And I'm still not the best, but I'm really working on my high notes and just, you know, staying on key. And my pitch too is a big thing. And so also just growing up listening to Taylor Swift, Selena Gomez, Demi Lovato, High School Musical. I also grew up listening to Camp Rock, and I loved Britt Nicole when I was younger. So yeah, I had quite a bit of influencers in my life, especially, you know, my mom and my nanny. My dad said he can't sing, but I think he could if he tried because his brother can sing. So yeah, you can be looking forward to beauty and covers. So yeah, that was kind of a little backstory of why I love singing. I just thought I would, you know, throw that in there. Just lifestyle videos, like I said, you know, anything that y'all want to see, just let me know. Leave them in the comments below. Feel free to leave any suggestions that you have, and I'll be sure to look at them. And like I said, I'll consider them and put them in my notes here. I know a lot of people have done this, but I've really wanted to do it. I'm pretty sure people have done this. It's Instagram followers control my makeup. I know a lot of people have done Instagram followers control my life. I can also do that, but I don't want to copy everyone. You know, I want to be authentic and unique on this channel. I also want to do collabs, mostly with my best friend Destiny. I'm not sure what we would do, but I was thinking we can maybe do like challenges together, or like we've been really wanting to do a cover together, which we have before, but it was only on Facebook. Oh, and another thing that I forgot, I started singing on Facebook when I was like 9 or 10, maybe a little older. So that's pretty much where I started progressing, and I used to listen to Christian artists all the time. I still do. And yeah, so that really helped me a lot too. So anyways, what I was saying is, yeah, so I really want to do videos with her. So you can look forward to that if we ever get around to doing it, but we're going to try. And maybe vlogs, which I don't really like taking pictures or vlogging in front of people. I just think it's awkward. And I don't really have an interesting life. But I mean, hey, if you all want to see it, like I said, anything that you all would like to see me do on this channel, just please be nice to me. And like I said, maybe challenges with Destiny, I'll bring her on my channel whenever she comes down here again. And I might do some challenges on my own, I almost dropped my phone. So like challenges with makeup, challenges with food, challenges with like recreating something, or I do have a few challenges here that I'm thinking about doing. So I really want to do the ugly photo shoot challenge. It looks like so much fun. And I might get my sister to like help me with it or do it with me. Or, because I think she would do it, and I think Destiny would too. So I think it'd be fun if we all did a video together on that. And I also want to do recreating my old Musical.ly / TikTok, since for some reason I think TikTok and Musical.ly collab together, or they just changed the name to TikTok. It's the same thing, but I hate that they changed it, but there's nothing you can really do about it. It looks the same as Musical.ly, they just changed the name. I also want to try copying my sister and my best friend Destiny's Instagram photos. I think that would be fun. And maybe some like famous people and other YouTubers' Instagram photos. I think that could be a really interesting and cool challenge. And I'm sure y'all will be asking how I edit my videos and what do I use for when I do my singing covers. But also, please leave your suggestions of covers, like songs that you would want me to sing. Because my main goal is to make videos that you all want to watch and want to see, and for videos that y'all would enjoy. So yeah, that's all for this video. Again, like I said, you can put your suggestions in the comments below of anything else that you would like to see me do on this channel. Because like I said, I'm going to try and be creative and authentic and unique as I can on this channel. Like I want to be different than all the others. So I know it's going to be hard to brainstorm some like ideas that no one's ever done before, but I want to try and get the best content out for you guys as I can. And like I said, I want y'all to enjoy it, and I want y'all to like what you're watching and what you're seeing. I don't want y'all to get bored or anything. So yeah, just let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to see on this channel, and I will see you guys next time. I love y'all so much. Bye! God bless.